So hey folks, hope you're all well. This is the second time I've been up this road today. I was up there a wee while ago with Haggis. Fucking hell. Has that guy got a death wish or what? If that was me on a bike, I'd be riding that white line. So have you seen one of my recent videos there, titled "Times Are A-Changing"? And I've got one that I'm moving premises with my work. So I'd actually really liked the premises I showed you on film. So I phoned up the letting agent a couple of days later, maybe even the next day. I'm sure that was a Sunday I went to see it. So they got back to me and said it's under offer. So basically if it's under offer, it's away. So I figured one person, one company was taking all 3 units. So I persevered and I carried on combing the market. God, there's enough cyclists out today. So both sensors constantly looking. So I got a phone call it's about 2 weeks later from the letting agent with the property in Motovlog saying they were putting it back on the market again. As the person pulled out. So I went down and viewed it. Here's a little clip vid showing you that.
So all good, back on it again. Had to stop there and take the thermal liner out of this jacket. I opened all the vents as well, so I should feel a bit excuse me, a bit more comfortable.
So one of the units, the one on the left, was the one I preferred, the end of the block one. But the wife pointed out my van wouldn't fit in it, and I checked the height of the door, but here, because of a wall that was built inside the unit, the van wouldn't actually fit in lengthwise, so that would be a pain. The other unit just wasn't. It needed an office. There was no like office whatsoever, so it wasn't meant to be. So while down looking at these units at Motovlog, there's another block on the left, and they're South Lanarkshire Council units. So I spoke to one of the residents there, and he said the one next to him had been empty for over a year. And I said, well, it's not on their website. He says, yeah, sometimes they're a bit slow that way. So I gave them a call. And this is an awesome bit of road.
Hey!
Try and stay alive, Johnny, try and stay alive. So I phoned South Lanarkshire Council, spoke to their agent, and he said he didn't have anything right there and then. He was going on holiday for a couple of weeks, so just keep checking the website. He said that something will pop up. So he came back with his holidays and gave me a shout on another unit.
Cheers!
2 units in fact. One was brand new, pretty much mint condition, just could eat your dinner off the floor sort of thing. And the other one is it's not terrible, but it's good enough for what I need it to do and to be. So I've got that lined up. Hopefully move in there in the next 3 or 4 weeks, I would think. Goodness, that was a whole cluster. And there's more coming.
Ah, cheers guys! Cheers! Cheers lads!
So it was that hell of a nice of me. Just pull in, let the cyclist past. I don't have a problem with them. Generally it's the minority of them who are ham shankers. Just like the bloke at the start of this road, in fact, unbelievable. So I'm sure there's some ham shanker motorcyclists out there amongst us. To be fair, I've only actually met one so far in the last 3 or 4 years I've been biking. And he turned out to be a right cunny funt, but not in a funny way. So there. But no, this is a great hobby and pastime. Everything I've done, everywhere I've been so far, has just been epic. Just loving it. More so in the warmer, dry months. Today is an absolute corker. And if I'd hit him, that would have been a right corker.
Oh, well here we are in sunny Largs. It's not my favourite place in the world, but it is alright on a sunny day. So I left Graham there back in Greenock. He's away home to edit. He's making out as if it's 3 times the work with 3 cameras. And that makes sense, doesn't it? So no, I'll stick with my 2. Although I went to put the Hero 10 on the back mount on my bike there, and I've no thumb screw with me. I always have a spare thumb screw as well. It's not in my bag of bits, so that's a pain in the ass. So the only one I've got is holding my Hero 9 onto my lid. So I'll just leave that put, and I'll fart about with the Hero 10 another day. I'll just take a wee turn up here. I've seen a couple of guys. I think Al, the Scottish biker, was the first one I seen doing the Fairley Moor. So I'm not sure if this is the right turn I've took, but we'll soon see. It looks quite cool anyway. Pardon me. The coast view would be behind me there, but this is a lovely little road.
Well, it's a good ride out. Nice day. Good to catch up with Graham again. I'll hopefully catch him again soon. So I think I'll just leave you here, folks. Cheers for watching. Take care and ride safe. Adios.